Hello and welcome to this very short introductory video into how to use the EuRA Academy. The EuRA Academy is the platform for all of the training which is delivered by EuRA. We are a not-for-profit organisation dedicated to the professionalisation and representation of the relocation industry. We primarily represent relocation providers, which is why for members of the association there is no charge to access any of this training, and I'm going to take you through how to access it for free in this short film. If you're watching this and you're not a member of EuRA but you're a global mobility professional, unfortunately we do levy a charge for the training. It is only free for EuRA members and their employees. If you're not a member of EuRA, you have two choices. You can join EuRA, and I'll show you a little bit more about how to do that in a second, or you can choose to pay for the content. In the video that follows this one, you will be given a full explanation of how the content is structured and whether or not it's relevant to you. But all I'm going to do now is just show you roughly how to use the system, how to log in without paying, where to get your coupon, etc. So you can see here, these are the products that are being demonstrated within this short video. Here, we have the introduction to MIM and it says free. So although you will still have to log into the EuRA Academy by creating a username and a password, you won't actually have to pay to access this module. Next door you can see this one, Module 1, Mobility, Industry and Context, 50 credits, 21 lessons, €200. That means that this one is not free. It is, however, free if you're a member of EuRA, and I'm going to show you how to access it for free right now. So first of all, click on the module to launch it. You can see here you have two options. You have buy 200 or free preview. All of the modules have a free preview which will give you a taster of exactly what they're about. Now you can see underneath the title, Module 1, Mobility, Industry and Context, 50 credits, it says Supply Chains, Clients and Processes. Don't forget to use your coupon for free access as a EuRA member, log into the website or contact the office. So the coupons for all of the courses which are free for EuRA members are lodged in the EuRA website. So you will be going to www.eura-relocation.com, and here is our website. Go to the Education tab and you will see the MIM training. On this page you will see an introduction video which is also available on the EuRA Academy and full explanations of how to use the system, plus of course what the system is actually about. Now here it says download your guide to qualifying with EuRA. This gives you full information about how to go about qualifying and it's very easy to download. Underneath here you'll see all of the modules and whether or not they're online the EuRA website, whether or not they're coming, or whether they're already online on the EuRA Academy. So right now we're trying to access Mobility, Industry and Context, remember this one here? And on the EuRA website you can see it says Online Now EuRA Academy. Click on that and you will get this message. You are not authorised to access this page, and that's because you have not logged in. You need to log into the EuRA website in order to prove that you're a EuRA member. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to access the page and there you will find your coupon. And it's the coupon which gives you free access on the EuRA Academy. So bumping back to the EuRA Academy, here we are. We are going to buy this module, €200. It's at this point that you get the opportunity to sign in to the EuRA Academy. Now we would ask you as a EuRA member, please sign in using your business email account. Okay. Now obviously unfortunately I already have that login, so I'm going to have to log in using my Gmail account. And what you will find if you do that is one of my colleagues in the office will be contacting you and asking you to prove which company you work for, because if you sign in using a generic email account, we will not know that you are a member of EuRA. So we would need proof, okay? And give yourself a password. And I will give myself one that I will remember, not this one, which looks stupid. No, I don't want that one. Come on. All right. Don't use, thank you. And there is my password saved in the keychain. Now, on this page, you have complete your purchase. Mobility, Industry and Context, it is €200, and there is the price €200. Down here is a little tiny line underlined in blue saying, have a coupon? Yes, you do, because you've just been to the EuRA website to find your coupon. So you've remembered what the coupon is, and you're going to enter the coupon here. Okay? That will then give you access for free. You will no longer need to put in your card number. Okay? So there you go. That's how you do it. Log into the Academy, create your username and password. What you will find, as soon as you've done that, you probably saw that flash up in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will find your email will you will have been sent a confirmation of your login, and as I say, you will then be able to go to the EuRA website, log into that. If you don't have your login for the EuRA website available, or you can't remember it, basically this is the responsibility of your EuRA membership administrator. So somebody within your organisation is the nominated member for EuRA, and it's their login. They can then log into this website using their login and create one for you. Every EuRA member company can create as many logins as they like. Once they've done that, make sure they give it to you. You can then log in and access all the codes that you need to access the EuRA Academy for free. If no one in your company can remember what your EuRA login identity is, please contact the office using the Contact tab and just give us a ring or drop us an email via the website, or contact any one of my colleagues who you will find listed under About Us. Meet the EuRA team, and you will see all our email addresses logged on this page. So just drop one of us an email and somebody will reset your EuRA password for the EuRA website, which will enable you to access your code in order to get free access to the courses in the EuRA Academy. Don't hesitate to contact us if any of that doesn't make sense. Like I said, my name is Dominic Tidy. You will find all my contact details on the About Us page on the EuRA website. Thank you for listening.